Lewisville ISD is proud to announce the official opening of the newly expanded Technology, Exploration, and Career Center East campus. Approved by voters as part of the 2017 bond election, this exciting 1,800 square foot addition marks a significant investment in the future of career and technical education across the district.
Speaking for my fellow students, we are extremely grateful for the opportunity to get to learn in such a great facility. We want to thank the district for providing us with the resources we need in order to maximize our educational experience. We want to thank our business partners for giving us the opportunity to explore and pursue the career of our choice.
The expansion creates new opportunities from students from all 5 LISD high schools to explore cutting-edge programs, including the launch of the Dental Assisting Program, the state-of-the-art Auto Tech program in a brand new space now featuring Offroad Diesel coursework as well. This addition will equip students with the skills needed to maintain and repair construction and agricultural equipment. Additionally, Welding, one of the most in-demand CTE courses in the district, currently offered at TECC West, will also be introduced at the East campus.
It's with great pride that we celebrate TECC East and its expansion opportunities for the students to learn, lead, and succeed in this dynamic industry.
Our career centers are a shining example of why we remain the best choice for education across 13 municipalities. We are building the future workforce of Texas in our public schools, and we need every one of you to share this story and share why public education is best.
LISD truly stands out as the best choice for education. There's nowhere better to learn, grow, and succeed rather than right here in Lewisville ISD.